Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's video is about A-level mathematics. We hope that this video will help you to understand difficult concepts. However, if you feel any difficulty, please let us know through comments and we'll try to help you accordingly. Before we start our today's video, you are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We hope you will like and share it with your friends. Viewers, let's start learning mathematics now. Today we will solve question number 11, exercise 1b. This question is about projectile motion whose equation is given and you have to find out the range of the projectile, and in the part B you have to find out the maximum height reached by the projectile. So let's start the question. To find the range of this projectile, you need to put the value of y equal to 0. So as you know, y is equal to under root 3 times x minus 49 over 9000 x square. Now you put the value of y equal to 0. 0 is equal to under root 3x minus 49 x square over 9000. You can rewrite it as 49 x square over 9000 minus under root 3 times x equal to 0. You will get x square minus 9000 over 49 times under root 3x equal to 0. You can get this step by multiplying throughout by 9000 over 49. Now you can take x as common and you are left with x minus 9000 under root 3 over 49 equal to 0. Now either x is equal to 0 or x minus 9000 times under root 3 over 49 equal to 0, and this will give x is equal to 9000 times under root 3 over 49. Here you can get x equal to 318.13, and this distance is in meters. This was the A part, and we have got the range of this projectile. Now we can solve the second part, that is B part. Dear students, to solve the part B, you have to understand this figure. So half of the range is 318.13 over 2. So on simplification you will get 159.06 meters. Dear students, I wanna explain it once again. When the projectile moves from this position O along this path, when it reaches here at this point, it has maximum height, and then it start declining and it will become zero height at this level. So in the part first you have calculated the range. Range is the distance, this one. Now consider this triangle. For maximum range you have 45 angle, and in this right angle triangle, when this angle is 45, this is 90, this angle will also become 45. And in a right angle triangle, if you have two angles equal, then the opposite sides to the angles are also equal. Now these two sides are equal, and we know that the distance from this to this point is half of the range, so we divided this by 2 here, this one, 159.06. As this is equal to this, so the height will be 159.06. So this is the maximum height attained by the projectile. Viewers, thanks for your precious time. Please subscribe to our channel Sara Pakistan and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Hope you will like and share this video within your circle. Stay connected and thanks for watching.